Hello world! Welcome to Tasty Tip Tuesday. I'm Jimi Blaze, joined by the happy chef, Joseph Akinfemi Akinwale. We are live every Tuesday on Twitch, doing some cooking, having some fun. Here's what we're up to this week. Marinara sauce. We'll be using it on top of some pasta.
Oh yes.
I'm gonna mix in some veggies. The focus of this video is the sauce. It's all about the sauce.
Sauce is boss.
And now we're gonna go over the ingredients. Olive oil. Olive oil. Ding. Whole peeled tomatoes. 1 can. Basil and garlic. Salt and pepper. And then of course, some pasta. You're also going to need a blender for the tomatoes, a big saucepan, a big spoon, and a big pot for the pasta. We're gonna just heat some oil in the saucepan. Like between a tablespoon or two. Enough to just coat the bottom of it. You might be noticing I am wearing an Attack on Titan outfit. It's because on Twitch, my channel points were redeemed and I was forced to dress up. So here you go. Alright, test how hot it is. Push some water on it. If it dances, it's ready. Add the garlic. Alright, where's that big spoon? Oh, here it is. I'm not gonna put this in the YouTube video, but I'll honestly, sometimes, if I'm impatient, I'll actually take this and put it under here. I took pretty much the one piece of the stove, so I propped it up so you can barely tell, but it's at an angle, and I moved it so it's right over the heat. This also actually is great because it gets it more evenly.
Yep.
Titan tomato sauce. While the oil is cooling, blend the tomatoes. Don't blend them for too long. It'll get watery, but yeah.
My precious ears.
That works. Add the tomatoes to the saucepan. And then we're gonna turn the heat on low. This is very scientific. And this is the method for ensuring you have the adequate amount of basil for your pasta sauce. So I'm about to teach you the scientific method. Let's go. Take our basil. Cut it up already. And our goal here is to make a smiley face. Also gonna add some salt. It's really up to you. I do like a small half teaspoon. And then pepper to taste. Traditionally not a whole lot of black pepper in the marinara sauce, but a little bit. We're gonna let it cook for an hour. You could do more. You should do more. Obviously, we gotta mix it first. We'll be back. What you do for the next hour is up to you. I'm gonna play with some Legos, do some magic tricks, talk to some people on Twitch. These are the Legos that I'm building. Probably not gonna do it right now, but it's like just in case. I started this on stream, but then I've done like most of the work of it off stream. Tomato sauce. Let's get that loose. Ready? This time, for real. Now we're going to take these two that are left. Going to put this one. It's going to go through, and now we're going to have two underneath. Ready? Ta-da! Oh, you can't see them. So now it's going to get a lot harder with the third one, because the thing about the third one is you actually have to take the ball, right? And I'm going to just completely make it disappear and go under there. So now all three balls are under and all the cups are empty. Ta-da!
This looks very nice. Very rich red. You can tell the sauce reduced. So the elements of your tomatoes and everything. And the garlic.
You
There we go. Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you guys. Thank you everybody for hanging out. Thanks for stopping by. See you on Tuesday.